Ngizobeka lapha embangeni. And usport yana ngoba wonke umuntu uzakhayo.
Sport igama lakhe lithi.
Ayi sport.
Aya ngemphiwe chef.
Sport futhi no sport ungcono.
Mgodoyi.
Mgodoyi.
Ngozi.
Umgodoyi.
Umletsenku.
Okay, no, but guys, bukani ilokhunjana zami.
Khona wayibona nimenze.
Umletsenku.
Uyibuka nini?
Uyibonile ushanda.
Uyayifuna. Uyayifuna yini inkukhu ngoba uyibona imenze. Uyayifuna?
Ubonile shanda. Kodwa chom. Ubuzoshisa kubuso. Ubuswathi namhlanje. Swathi.
Ube.
Hayi yazi ubuswathi namhlanje.
No, Jeremy, no. I was gonna be too much, Jeremy.
Yo. What's
Kahle
it?
chom abo.
Hello, Halloween.
Hello, Shadow.
Halloween. There's on Halloween. Halloween.
Hey, Mr. James. Please open my Rolls Royce.
Please
Open my Rolls Royce.
Halloween.
Land Cruiser.
It's they missed the joke.
Please open my Land Cruiser.
No,
They
my
always
Rolls
miss
Royce.
the joke.
Oh, my voice.
My Rolls.
Please open my Barabbas.
Ayingeke wena udila nequeen. Bonito.
James, please open
My
Barabbas.
Yes.
My Barabbas.
Unzima chom.
Hi guys, how are you?
No buzz.
No
No bars, no rules.
Imagine ngikhiphe lola.
Eh, sisabili kamera ngakweni.
Ikhiphe chomi in case uveza ingono and stuff.
We find out.
Sassy. Sassy is so smart. The other
Sassy,
day,
the one who's from.
you don't know her, but like she's such a smart ass.
Well, Sassy, Nchombi, it's perfect. Like, wasn't sang
Ngeke umbone.
ngani sangimazi.
Mumngane mwenzile in
Short hair.
ushawa abafana.
Umfana ngikwazile ngalo stitch. I got stitches. The nigga
Umfana inqobo.
decided to
Ayibo, sorry,
open.
guys.
Umenze wenkukhu.
Sorry guys, sorry.
The nigga decided to open my
Let's chufia.
my chubby chick.
No, but like the nigga was just trying to bust her.
My nigga was trying to bust it open, but like I decided to.
He
just
busted
close
open on the wrong
it.
place.
On the wrong place. He was trying to bust it open on the wrong place. I was like, Daddy, no.
No, Daddy, you just busted open on the
Daddy,
wrong
stop
place.
it. You're opening the wrong hole. I'm like, Daddy.
Oh my god. No, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. I can't do this. Sugar.
I the chum.
No. But like, look at what he
No,
did.
but like Daddy was trying to kill
Like, he's
you.
so
But like,
wrong. Look at
oh,
this.
go uyakuthanda.
He's so wrong. Look at this.
Ukushaya ngoba
You
uyakuthanda
don't
cho.
do this to a woman.
No, what's like stitch?
And then he decided to stitch me like this. Imagine.
No, Tom, uyena futhi ukuthungile
Yes,
ngokulimaza.
he like, you know, he opened the wrong hole and he decided to close it again. Imagine.
Like, nigga, you
Like,
too serious.
like, what's wrong with these niggas? How could you do such a thing? How? Like, tell me. There are so many holes, but you decide to just open the wrong hole.
They mean people. Niggas are mean people.
Why are they so mean?
They're so mean, Jeremy. I wish they could die. All of them.
Abangani masisihamba nje sikhuluma.
Kufe bonke amadoda ngiyacabanga Chomi yazi kuthiwa kufe bonke amadoda.
Inkinga osolo kunjobani ukuthi befe bonke.
Sema-
Akusolo yedwa ngcono.
Hayi mina ngizoyikopa fana. Angikwazi ukuyikopa.
Ayingeke.
Amanyofa.
Kubalekile kodwa.
unamanga. Ngeke.
Ngingaphila mina.
2 weeks emva kwalokho kade ngibalekile.
Unamanga.
Vele.
I'll just imagine. I love imagining niggas fucking me, but like, I don't like them and stuff.
Yeah.
Cha.
Oh, shampoo.
Oh, shampoo. Kuyadliwa kini lokho. Khona emsebenzini okusalayo.
Ubaloyi.
U5 manje ena 5 ngeke 5
Manje beku5 ngeke
Uyabona uyambona? Hawu maqisha ngathi uyambona.
Saturdays.
Angithi phela ngiyiphume ngo-past 11 ngo-11.
Uchazela bani?
Ngolesithathu.
Bukani? Ade sengikhotha yonke lento.
Uhlangana abindela.
Ikhotha mina lezinto. Uyisifebe singena plan. Kade se besides idiyo kade sene depression lo sebemchithela vele. Sekumene manje thina manje sihile leyo depression. Kodwa ave sithola kanzima enza abangani shame. Cha bandla.
Angeke ndiyala guys. Niyangithanda.
Uthandi bandla. Yena phela ufuna iphile le. Utago Brian. Utago Briani. Kodwa sengazutsho le India na kanti ubunqenani.
Nyantshaji.
Yini ubunqene? Yini ubunqene ukubheka amadoda? Wenza kakhulu ngeke awuvuki nangevenda ngeke ngelona hayi ngeke
Ngilitholanga ivenda ngathola.
hayi ngeke umusichazela
Amapete manga.
Awu uyacabanga
Avela fange India.
Amapete manga.
Vele wathi nje ndindi
Kunari dada kunari.
Chomi sengishaye 1+1 manje ngalesa sikhathi ngiyakhumbula bitch wafaka into zamandiya kade wafuna mandiya wena sifebe ubemfensa
Waze wahamba uthenga yonke outfit
hayi ngihamba emsebenzini ngikhathele ukuhlala nawe akahambe emsebenzini ngikhathele ukuhlala naye ngiyakhumbula Chomi inkingileyo bese simbuka vele sithi hayi bakwenzakalani usunga-celebrate you did not even awuzamani ukugqoka ubrandwood wena umzulu wena wathi nje I'm going all out for what Ungalomia favor and favor Namandi and stuff. Like it's like, do you wanna be Zulu or you don't wanna be Zulu?
No, right.
Muzo sili right ngoba desile kufebe lemnqondo.
Cha, belizama cheat health la ngwazi cheat.
Okay.
Guys, it's right. Ngensile right.
Now lapho ulunguzile.
Lo?
Yes. Ngeke othi ngimazi ongene ngempela.
Ngokusiza usebenzele cause shape breakfast extend.
Uyacabanga sengipetshukile la ekhaya.
Uzopetuka vele.
Right.
Ay awusiyeke ngendiya tag.
Oh, baby, yellow star.
Aswafuna usamusa bakho tag.
Osamusa bakho bamgcina.
Bamba usamisa bakho.
No, bamnandi ke bethu.
Hey bo ubani ubethu?
Ne moon.
Nosamara.
Ubani owethu?
Ngabe ngiyanhlebela ukuthi uhlobene noba.
Sorisha. Uhlobene noSorisha. Uyakhula mnqundu. Ngabe silele kwi-penthouse phezulu. Ay ngeke.
Ahlobene labalana.
Ufuna uSorisha ungamfaka uSorisha kulezi.
Letha la eGucci waswanaza wasithembele.
Angabe bethi Nesty.
Letha la eGucci wasuka eGucci wasithi
Ane-India lam. Ane-India lam. Ane-India lam.
Angikho happy ngendlela owenza ngayo impilo.
Angithandi ngithola umuntu o-serious.
Angikho happy ngendlela ophila ngayo impilo.
Ngithola umuntu o-serious.
Angikho happy ngendlela ophila ngayo impilo. Angikho happy ngendlela ophila ngayo impilo. I-dry ngeke oyi-dry dry.
Oh, ni wrong ne?
Uba wrong.
Nina.
Ungalingelala ingamanulala first. And umazite. Hey, Thula sisingeke kusalunga. Ngeke salungiseka beke waqala. Hey. Ay, papay. So for the dam.
Oh.
How?
Oh. Is it less on?
Yazi
Is it less on?
Ngilumile angishaya. Yangazi
kade khuza mina sangeke ukwenza
ngiyakhotha umlomo mina ngiyakhothana futhi nawe ukuze ufuna ukwenza.
Hi, but when the bazaar.
Ikhadi lami lasendlini yami
Class.
ayanda
angilasho ngilibheka wanolibekile
Chomi ngilibeke empeteni. Ngithe mina ngiyalishiya lana ozonginikeza mengibuya guys, don't do me like that.
qalaza cho
No, Chomi, and mina ngizoyezansi ngempela ngiyakutshela. No, guys, don't do that to me. Uyazi ayanda ngimnikezela ikhadi.
cho awunginikanga ikhadi
Chomi ngilibekile ikhadi ke la endlini yakho ngathi Chomi ngizolanda mengibuye. Salibeke empeteni. Noma uba umuntu akade eqoqa umbhede. Shusi nifuna ukungenzani? Khona lento abafuna ukungenzani la. Chomi, let me talk to you. Hello, can I talk to you? Chomi, I told you that I'm leaving my card here. I don't need it. I left it with my red phone. Ay, guys, no. Ufuna ukugeza. Ngimtshela umngane wami ngathi Chomi ngeke ngiliphathe mina ngoba isikhwama sami asiklipheki. Wathi okay Chomi, ngathi okay Chomi sharp. Beliphezu kombhede. Guys. Elahambe yolanda uSiyanda. And uSiyanda bazofuna i-ID yomuntu awe kanti yini lengikhahlela yabo lezi icathulo zenza amaGucci lezi. It's supposed to be here. Please check on my bag then.
Which bag?
The one that I just came with.
The one I carried.
It's not there. I know it's not there. It's there. Uzoyala na uSiyanda la mina ngiyenza ama-calls mina nama-live. Ngiyayikopa vele uzongenzani? Nqundu. Papa yinzinja. Chomi se-extenda kusasa mebefike bexosha yeso. Se-extenda kunomi yakho la. Not my room. Yezo Chomi. Bangangixoshi ke ngizovuka ngisakaze wena. Finally, my love. Look at this. I need to go take a shower, but like, look at this. Leave me alone! Bitches. My charger. No, I need my charger. What the fuck? What's going on? Oh no, I'm doing the wrong thing. I need to wash the makeup, but like I need to breathe a bit. Like I need to face up and just relax. That time mina ngikhiphele makeup and I don't have time. Veze induno sesimnqondo lona. Mlungisi uyinja. Engathi umuntu wakho lo jola na engathi angakahambe yobhebha umngani wakho. Nihlukane because uyinja mnqondo yezwana. Uyinja. Yezo mlungisi engathi angahamba yobhebhana nomngani wakho. Because either way it's not like you can take care of her. You're just a broke ass nigga. I know you sound. Oh, guys, no ways. There's no ways. You sound like a broke ass nigga. Like, I wish ukuthi umuntu wakho ahambe yobhebha umngani wakho, abhebhe ubhuti wakho, and then ubuye uzokhala kubona labo bantu. Ngiyafisa kodwa. Because you acting like a little bitch. You're a little bitch, actually. You're not even acting like one. You are a little bitch. You are a little bitch. Ngiyafisa. Mama, ngiyafisa. Ngiyafisa ukuthi umuntu wakho nje ahambe nje ayolala nabantu nje labo ongathembile ngoba uyinja. Uyinja chili bite uyinja. Uyinja shem. Cha uyinja shem. Mama ngishele makeup andangazi uzenza njani. Thank you. Ubani ikombe lo igama lakhe ubani umlungisi ini igama lakhe igama lakhe kombe okusalayo yona lelo gama lakho uyinja uyinja wesifone. Honestly speaking, it looks like they're so fucking horny. And it's not even nice. Like, it's looking so dodgy. Like, and I'm not talking because I have nothing to win or anything to lose. I don't have anything to lose. I don't. So I can have it any day and any time. And yeah. I just have to wash my face. That's something that I can lose though. Like, this fine as art. That's the only thing I have. Excuse me. Are you what? What the hair invading my lips.